Okay, travelers, we are now at Ocean Cay. This is MSC's private island. You can see there's a ton of construction going on, and it's not massive, but there is quite a bit to explore, so let's go explore the entire island. Welcome Pavilion. There's the MSC Yacht Club station. There's where you hop on for your transport, but we're gonna walk. If you want to check out more excursions, you can go there. But we're going to head over to the Marine Conservation Center. You can grab a few things from their shop. And then they have a history of Ocean Cay. Apparently we are 20 miles from Bimini. Oh, this just opened this year on April 10th. That's awesome. They bought it in 2015, and then it opened in 2019.
Yeah, because I mean, they had to remove, all these scrap metals and debris.
That's amazing.
This,
so that's what it looked like beforehand. They had to clear the island.
Correct.
And then they had to plant all the trees.
And build up the infrastructure. And, pretty much got a team.
All these had to be planted just a few years ago. The Aquaria. I don't fully know what this means. Okay, so now I know what this is. This is a controlled environment to grow coral. Looks like that's ultimately what it looks like after it's been grown. You can learn to scuba or try snorkeling with the dive shop. So the dive shop is closed, but they do have all of that stuff available, just not here. Looks like they're doing other stuff with that property right now. I asked what the most popular excursion was, and they said jet skis are by far the most popular excursion on Ocean Cay. Here's the visitor center shop. You get your rum cakes, Bahamian flags, stuff for the boat, your shampoo and all. Probably not the best port to do shopping in. You probably want to save that for Nassau. There's a lot more options, a lot more retailers. Obviously everything's just all on its own here. There's no competition. More of the MSC Foundation stuff you can buy, quite a bit more, if you want those plushies and all. And they're very reasonably priced. I think they're a really good thing you can pick up as a souvenir and help a good cause. The ducks are $6.50. I might need to grab a duck. I didn't see those on board. Here's management office, more souvenir shops. Comparatively, these prices aren't bad. It's $15 for these. They don't have plus size shirts, but here's the lighthouse. And then the Bahamas shop. I like the layout of these stores. They're not too packed. They're nice. This one smells amazing. Here are the bathrooms signified by mermaids. Here at the Springer's Bar, if you have the drink package, it is included here on the island. Unlike some people in some islands, Norwegian and Carnival. I feel like I should call them out for that too. There's an ice cream and coffee shop. By the way, the ice cream and coffee spot is called the Smiling Fish. So this is the area they actually have for the staff, Ocean Village. So all the staff live in these, I guess. 5,000 trees and palms planted in the last 10 years. All right, this is a great beach area, Seekers Cove. And across from that, this is Seekers Food Court. This is where we get our lunch at. It's served from 12 to 2:30. If you want to know what's on the menu. This is the North Beach area, much larger beach and water area for you to play in. Look at that water, it's gorgeous. We have another bar here, the Great Star, but if you go over here, if you're not as picky, there's no line. So just consider where you're trying to go. They have a crew cove. I'm assuming that means this is specifically for the ship crew. A better view of that North Beach. So we get back here to Ocean House, which is the yacht club members only area. So you do have to be a yacht club member to go over there, so we can't go check that part out. But on with the rest of the island. If you don't want to go to a cove and you want more open ocean, you can go out here to this area. And there's a bar there. And here's another place to grab food with the beach shack. Or you can add a lobster roll for extra. I think the other stuff is free, but if you want to add more on, you can. If you see a bar and it's pretty packed and you're going to have to wait a while, make sure you go to a different one. There are several around. This is just absolutely gorgeous water. I'm so happy. My pavement has run out, so we're going to keep the rest of the way going, walking on the beach. Looks like this is the most empty place we've seen so far, by the way, if you're trying to find a place that you can have a lot of privacy. Here's a great shot of the cruise ship with the beach. I like it. Okay, I did realize you can't actually get over to that part of the island from here. I'm gonna have to go all the way around.
बामस टी शर्ट पहन के आते चलो नहा के बामस खा के फिर नीचे थोड़ा आगे आते आज सोना नहीं है रात को सो जाए बामस ठीक है बामस टी शर्ट ओ हाँ टी शर्ट पहनते हैं हाँ बामस ट्री जा रहे ट्री किधर है कौन सी फेमस ट्री है क्या दीदी गाड़ी खड़े थे वहाँ एकदम जुड़वा दो खड़े थे वहाँ पे एक तो बारी की तरह दिख रहा था बंदा और उसके साथ दीदी भी थी
There are transports to take you around the island, so here's a sped up view of what a tour looks like on those. You can go see most of the island. It does not take you everywhere. There are places you would have to walk as well. And note that these can take a while for you to get onto. Sometimes there's not a ton of these compared to other private islands I've been on, like Ocean Cay or even Celebration Key. That can take a little while for you to wait on them as the line can get pretty backed up. But they are useful for getting a quick trip around the island or back to the front of the island if you want to go for a walk or go see a different part. I'm now over at the Lighthouse Beach area, back to the front. There's the Island Breeze Bar. The rain just started coming down.
they cleared out
Headed to the Lighthouse Bar. You can also go up the lighthouse with a guided tour, but it's $30. It is an excursion if you want to do that. Here's a close-up of the lighthouse. It is covered in LED lights and does a show at the end of the day, but I didn't see it. And here's the bar area back here. Everything is a bit soaked. If you're wondering, yes, they have beach wheelchairs available for you if you happen to need one. Well, that does it for this tour. I'm gonna go hop in the hot tub, and remember, next time you are planning your trip, make sure to get in touch and check out this next video.